Let's learn how to request, approve, and receive part transfers. We'll start by picking a part in our parts inventory that is below its minimum stock. Lucky for us, this part is available at 2 of our other MaintainX organizations. We'll request enough units of this part to get this site's inventory above its minimum stock, along with a note containing details about the request. Now that we've submitted the request, it shows up under our pending part requests. Let's see what things look like from the perspective of the organization receiving the request. Administrators and any members of the part transfer request escalation team will receive an email when a part request has been submitted to their organization. Clicking the link in the email will open the parts inventory in their MaintainX organization. Here we see that we have incoming part requests from other organizations. When approving part requests, we can specify how many units we want to transfer to the requesting organization. We can also decline pending requests, providing notes back to the requester when we do so. When we approve or decline part requests, administrators and part transfer request escalation team members from the requesting organization receive an email notifying them about the outcome of the request. Back in the organization from which we made the request, the last step is to confirm receipt of the parts requested. We would do this once the parts had physically arrived at our facility. Here we can specify how many parts we actually received relative to the number requested. Once we confirm receipt of the parts, the inventory will be updated to reflect the units that have been added. Finally, we can review the complete record of transfer transactions for a part in its history.